how it is done, how Vasishthadev actually elevated Ram's mind to that supreme throne of Brahma, where Brahma with Brahmaiva Bhavati, that one who knows his self becomes itself, one who knows Brahman becomes itself. So how he is raised to that point, it has been narrated in Yoga Vasishtha Ramayana. Slowly, how? Through different stories, through different instances. In the beginning, after these are the story what I was telling, but I just tell few things, what we need actually in this path, in this spiritual path, what we need actually, we need few things, like let me just cite one slok, one verse from Ashtavakra Gita. You have heard about it, Ashtavakra Gita. In the beginning of the Ashtavakra Gita, okay, one slok is, one verse is there. It spoke like this, that when Janaka went to Ashtavakra Muni for this Brahman Gyan, knowledge of the Supreme Being, knowledge of Brahman, Ashtavakra Muni said that Mukti Michhasi Tat Vishyan Vishavat Tyaja Shama Arjav Daya Tosha Satyam Sada Piyush Vadabhaj. If you wish to attain freedom, moksha, then you must, know this, all these material things as poison, and leave it. Poison shall hurt you. So leave it. So leave it. And what do you do? What to do? What to adopt? Adopt few qualities. What are they? Kshama, Arjab, Daya, Tosh, Satyam. Kshama means forgiveness. Forgive. Forgiveness is a very peculiar quality. For us, what happens actually, basically, I generally say a story to make people understand what is forgiveness actually. Here in India, we have different kind of people, different types of people. Different types of people are there. One of our monks is Swami Ramananda. I hope you will have heard him. He sings very well. So I heard this story from him actually. It was a true story actually. Somewhere here in Assam, where I live, in the state of Assam, maybe near Bongaigaon, Swami Ramananda saw that, or he heard from story story from some people. In market, in common area market is there. People sell things there. In market, one boy was going by a bicycle. He was just slowly going by bicycle. He was riding his bicycle. But somehow he came to meet a very strong man, and he could not control his bicycle. Somehow he put his brake very hardly, but it just struck the man, but very mildly. It didn't hurt him at all, but it did pushed him a little bit. It did not give any harm, any wound to that man. But the boy was very, very young boy. Was it happened? Well, I'm very, very sorry. But the man, he rose from his position and he said, "Why you hit me? Why you hit me with your cycle?" very bad, very bad. So they started arguing each other. He said, why, I didn't willfully hit you. So arguments started in the market itself. Slowly, people gathered around. Okay. And then they said that it will not argue so much. So you please, you have yours on the bicycle, so you please ask sorry from that man. So that man then said that, okay, see man, I was on the bicycle. My bicycle was not good. I put my brake on, but somehow I could not control. But it didn't hurt enough. But whatever happened, I'm very sorry for that. Please forgive me. By that time, that man said, okay, he was of this, tribal. He came. This man who was being hurt. So he was from the tribal belt of Assam. Okay. He said, okay. When you said you asked, apology, I pardon you. Okay, I pardon you. But since you have hit me with your cycle, I must, put a, what do you say? I must have put a slap on you. I must slap you. I have forgiven you. I have pardoned you. But since you have struck me, so I must put a slap on your face. Put one slap. I must. So this was kind of our kind of nature. This is actually our kind of nature. I forgive you. I pardon you. Sorry. I pardon you. Okay. I pardon you. But if I get a chance, then I shall make you understand what you did to me. So this is kind of forgiveness we used to practice. But here, what Janaka was being told was something different. Janaka was being told about forgiveness. Forgiveness means from inside. It is a fire within that I am being taught ill-treated. So, but you have to, douse the fire within by yourself. That is forgiveness. That is forgiveness. So Kshama is the first quality which actually helps our mind to come in peace, in harmony, in one peacefulness, in bliss.